The NOYAFA Thermal Camera NF-586S represents a leap forward in thermal imaging technology, offering enhanced capabilities and versatility for home and workplace inspection. With its advanced imaging technology, seamless integration with USB Type-C devices, and customized professional thermal imaging app, it provides users with the tools they need to uncover hidden issues and ensure the safety and efficiency of their environments. Whether you're a professional in need of a reliable inspection tool or a homeowner seeking peace of mind, the NF-586S is a smart solution that delivers on performance, reliability, and convenience. The NF-586S is its compatibility with all USB Type-C devices, including smartphones and tablets. By simply connecting it to your device, you can unlock a world of possibilities for thermal imaging on the go. Whether you're inspecting water pipes, HVAC systems, or electrical components, the NF-586S provides a convenient and portable solution for detecting potential issues before they escalate. The NF-586S lies its upgraded IR sensor, which sets it apart from conventional thermal imagers. With a high resolution of 256 x 192 pixels, it delivers exceptional clarity and detail, allowing users to identify potential issues with precision. Unlike generic sensors, the NF-586S boasts anti-interference capabilities, ensuring higher sensitivity and stability when tracking dynamic targets. With an impressive error margin of ±2 or ±2%, users can rely on accurate temperature readings for effective analysis.